I got Tom Ford Noir Extreme Parfum, and I'm so excited. It retails for $300, but I got it on Joma Shop for $170, and that was a really good deal. So I couldn't pass it up. Plus, I've been wanting it for a while. It has the same notes as the original, but in this version, they amp up the cardamom and add ginger, tonka bean, and gaiac wood. So, and it's a parfum concentration. So it's pretty much the original, just a little bit elevated and in a parfum. It's got the gold bottle, and I love a gold bottle. I love the box. I keep all my boxes, do you? I don't know why, I like the whole experience. So I kind of have a cupboard full of the empty boxes that all my fragrances come in. Leave a comment and let me know if you keep your boxes. Wow, okay, whoa. I love the bottle. It's like a gold bar or a gold brick. I'm gonna put it on a test strip first, and then I'll put it on skin. So again, it's supposed to be basically like the original, but it's got a little bit more zing and citrusy notes to it because of the ginger. So let's see if I get that. Yeah, it smells like the original, but almost like softer and lighter, which is kind of weird because it's a parfum concentration, but it's just like smoother. I'm kind of getting a little bit of a smokiness in there too. So again, it's ramping up the cardamom from the original and then adding ginger, tonka bean, and gaiac wood. And then also got the original notes in there, like I think the kulfi is still in there. Okay, now I'll try it on my hand. And again, I think one spray is enough. It's got kind of like a peppery spiciness to it. Okay, I'll let this dry down and I'll come back in like 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, so let's check out the test strip and see how Tom Ford Noir Extreme Parfum dried down on paper. Still like it. It's like Noir Extreme, but lighter, spicier. Yeah, I'm getting that zingy ginger. So I still like it. Now let's smell it on my hand. Still good. Yeah, it's like different on skin. I feel like on paper on the test strip, it maintains its kind of scent profile like the initial spray, but then on skin, I guess it makes sense. Like it just reacts with your body chemistry differently, so it changes a bit. But I do like it. I still like it a lot. It is different from the. It's different from the original. I just feel like it's a little bit more sophisticated and wearable. And I do love that spiciness of it. So that was my initial review of Tom Ford Noir Extreme Parfum. I am so glad I got it. I'm also going to see if I can get just the original Noir and maybe Noir Anthracite and maybe Noir Eau de Toilette and maybe just do a full review of the entire range. But this was my initial first reaction and unboxing of Tom Ford Noir Extreme Parfum. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and got any value out of it, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!